Identifying perspectives in literary works, a deep dive. Hello, dear learners. Welcome to another episode on analyzing literature. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of perspectives in literary works. By the end of this video, you'll be adept at identifying and understanding different perspectives in various literary pieces. Let's get started. Perspective in literature refers to the lens or viewpoint from which a story is narrated. Think of it as the eyes and mind through which we experience the story. Is it the main character telling their own tale? Or is it an outsider observing events as they unfold? Understanding this perspective enriches our experience of the story and helps us connect more deeply with its characters and events. There are several commonly used perspectives in literature. 1. First person. The story is told using I or we. This means the narrator is a character in the story, giving us their personal viewpoint. 2. Second person. Less common. This perspective uses you. It directly addresses the reader, making them a character or participant in the story. 3. Third person limited. The story is told using he, she, or they, but follows the thoughts and feelings of one character closely. 4. Third person omniscient. This is also a he, she, or they narration, but the narrator knows everything, including the thoughts and feelings of all characters. 5. Objective. The story is presented only through actions and dialogues. The narrator doesn't share any character's thoughts or feelings. How do you know which perspective is being used? Here are some tips. 1. Look for pronouns. As mentioned, pronouns like I, you, and he, she can be major giveaways. 2. Internal thoughts. If you get a direct window into a character's thoughts, it's likely first person or third person limited. 3. Information availability. If the narrator seems to know things that aren't revealed to characters, it might be third person omniscient. 4. Direct address. If the narrator is instructing or speaking to you, the reader, it's probably second person. 5. No feelings revealed. If the narrative sticks strictly to observable actions, it's likely objective. Why should we care about perspective? Perspective shapes our emotional connection to a story. It affects how much we know, how we feel about characters, and how we interpret events. For instance, a story told from a villain's perspective might make us sympathize with them, while the same events narrated by a victim might give us an entirely different feeling. So, as readers, understanding perspective can deepen our appreciation and comprehension of a literary work. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of perspectives in literature. Next time you pick up a novel or short story, pay attention to the perspective. It'll not only enhance your reading experience but also deepen your analytical skills. We hope this video has been enlightening. Keep reading, keep exploring, and see you in the next video.